For Python question 5, write a function which is passed a list of sentences as an argument and returns the most boring sentence. The most boring sentence will be the sentence with the most occurrences of the word boring. So we build a list of the 3 sentences and pass it to the most boring function, and sentence 3, boring boring, will be returned. We will import counter from collections. Boring will be stored in a search word variable. Most boring will be the variable which contains the most boring sentence. Boring count will contain the count of the word boring in the most boring sentence. We'll loop for each sentence in the list. The backward slash is a line continuation. We'll build a list of words using a list comprehension. A dictionary is created by the counter, with each word as a key and its corresponding count as its value. If the current sentence has the most occurrences of the word boring, the boring sentence is set, and the boring count variable is also set, and we then return the most boring sentence.